So when you open your chart, it will be like this, right? So can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So this is where you get your things here. This is here by insert. Insert here. That's where you get your lines. Then here, this is simplified. So this one is a trend. So this one is the one that's helping you in drawing patterns like that, whatever. So for you, sometimes it will be in a form of a ray. So you right click and then you go to trend properties and then you untick here. So when it's like this, it's gonna be this long. So when you remove it, you make sure that you untick there. Untick there. And then that becomes a trend like that, right? So that's what we have. So now let's look at what we have right now, right? Remember what we do on a weekly time frame. We look at 3 things. This is what you do. So Sister Toko, this is what she was asking. So first thing, what you do is you look for 3 things here. So weekly, I will show you 3 things. Nearest high, nearest low, and current price. So that's what we have, right? So all that, first and foremost, your current price is this one indicated by this line here. That's your current price, right? So now your nearest low in this case is this one. That's your nearest low. Then your nearest high is that one. Or this one. Doesn't matter, it's fine. But the gap that you have right now is this one. So we can see now the market is already closed below this point here. Just use that. So there. Use the big line, solid one. So there. That's what we have. So the gap now or direction we know, this is what we have. So you'll be using these lines. Let me just use the lines that you're gonna use. So you'll come here, there's your, go there, your trend, there. And there is your line. You click there, your current price, there it is there. Then if you wanna write this, they don't go off. So you can write there. Current, let me just check. Current price. So there, that's what you have. And then your nearest low, you come back again there. There. There we go. And then nearest low. That's what you have. The nearest high. Nearest high. That's what you have. So now you see where do you get it? You go to it's either there's no need for you to go to insert. It's either insert or that. So but now because you want to shade, then you go to insert and then you go to shapes. Then you shade the gap from current to this. That's your gap. Then you can change the color because there's two. Then see, so that's your gap. Then you know that your direction for this pair. So Horik, we're looking forward to buy this, to sell this thing, NZD. Chef. It's a sell. Bearish. Bearish means the market is going down. Looking forward to sell. So that's what we do. Remember, how do you move? You move from, this is how you get your direction. You move from left, from right to left, that way. That's how you move. So you move that way. So your first current price, the first point that you touch is your nearest low, down. The first point that you touch going up, it's your what? It's your nearest high. So that's your gap. Then now you go to a daily time frame. When you go to a daily time frame, you want to do what you want to confirm. So the only thing that you are waiting for here, what is it? Waiting for the market to close below that point. When the market closes below this here, then you know you're looking forward to take your market way down there. So basically what we're waiting for now is for the market to retrace and close below here with the red candle. Once that happens, we go now to 1 hour time frame. So you see now it's still upside down and all that. So you want something like this. You'll be making money when the market is doing this here. This is what you want. You don't want this here, this kind of culture here. So this is what you want. Let me show you. So there here. So let me do this, sorry. So there, this is what you want. You don't want when the market is moving in a horizontal way, you want this. So hence on that, on a daily time frame, you're waiting for that. So the only thing that you'll be looking for to have is the patterns. So let me show you. You go straight to 1 hour. Right, even though this one, the patterns are not that good. So here we don't really have good patterns. This pair does not have good patterns, but anyway, something like this. Okay, sorry. That's what you're waiting for. That, there, something of this nature. That the pattern on this one are not that good, but yeah, that's what you're mainly looking forward to have. That. Then when the market starts moving in a horizontal way, you don't want that. So basically that's what you want. So even here now, hence on a daily time frame, we're waiting for the market to close below all this. You see it's upside down. All these things are taking place, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, going up. Waiting for the market to close below here on a daily. Then we'll be looking forward for patterns, something like that. So that's what you do. So you'll be taking all your things here from inside or this, there, that, there. Then you wait for a break, you buy. So in this case, what you have done is this would have been your sell, then your nearest high, that point. So that would have been your stop loss. Then sell, right? So after a break, so you wait for that break here, but make sure that this is below 20 pips. Below 20 pips. Below 20 pips. That's what you have. So that is below 20 pips. So that's what we have in that way. Then you sell. Then, but how do you take your profit? So from there, you're gonna find what? The points. It's just that now the market, let's see, let's wait. So here you go look at these points here. So they're here. So these are your level of take profits, all that. Then you see, so it means that would have been your first TP, that one, because there's nothing in between. See here, there's nothing here. So that would have been your TP, looking at that point. So that will become your TP. So this is how it's supposed to look like. So there, that would have been a sell. Then your TP would be this here, this line here. Take profit. That's how it works about. So let me take a screenshot that you can see these things here and you can use it. So that's what you do. Okay, let me show you something. Give me a second. I want to show you an example. What are you supposed to do? Any questions so far while I'm operating this? Does it make sense, sister talk?
Yes, it does. Thank you.
Okay, let me try to see. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah, so that's what you do. So let's open another pen and then I show you. So it's even this one here, same thing happens, you see? So you want the market to be going up just like that. But it's important to see where is the market heading to. So now we can see the market is pushing up. So hence we need the weekly time frame to see where is it heading to. So now you see that is what it is now. So now we're looking forward to do that. We'll be looking forward to trade this till that point. Tomorrow we'll be printing from that point to this point. So we just plug our system. Our system will look for trades throughout. So you see from that point to that point. So now you see what do you have now. I need energy. Hey, it gets tough during the day. So yeah, so it's that nearest low, current price, and then nearest high. So this will be, it's going down tomorrow, guys. It's going down. It's going down. So that we know we're heading towards that point there. How many pips? We know from that point to that point, 120. So we'll be looking forward to take that. Okay, let me try to do this. I don't know what's going on with the robot. It's like I want to see. I will show you now. Okay. So yeah, that's what we have. So you see now your direction is that way. So now you know you're looking forward to do what you're looking forward to buy. I'm gonna take these screenshots and then send it to you. So all that. So you know now what are you looking forward to do? You're looking forward to buy. So before you even go to there, you know what you're looking forward to have. So you know this is what you're looking forward to have. So this is what you have. That 1 hour, that, or that, right? So it can be something of that nature. That. So you know this is what you're looking for. It's either one of that or this, either one. So it's either this one, or this one. Yeah. So that's what we have. Do we see that now? So our direction now is specified. So this, right, this here. Just check. Okay. So that's what we have. Does this make sense? Can we all do this? For the guys who are new. Okay. Okay, sure. Now you go to it. So this is what you do all the time. You go to every time frame, you get the current price, you look for a nearest low, you move from right to left. Remember, you move this way. So what you can do, you place your pen here, you start here, right? Then you move this way. The first point high that you touch is your nearest high. Then as you go down, the first point that you touch down is your nearest low. So that's how it works about. So this is our first low that we touch. And then this is our first high. So that becomes our nearest high. So you can just put the pen and then you move from the right to left. The point that you touch first, that's your what? It's your high. And the one that you touch, the secondly, that's your what? Is your nearest high. So now you already know what's your direction. So now you know your direction. So this is your direction. So tomorrow, Just waiting to do what for the market to do what to confirm. So then you know, okay, fine. Now you're looking forward for the market to do what. The whole week we're looking forward to do what, to buy this pair till it reaches 0.9101. We just wait for the market to retrace and then give us a reversal. So that's how it works about it. So now let's go confirm. So now we go to a daily time frame. So this is how you wait for. So you see now the market is already up. So now you go to a 1 hour time frame. So now, okay, let me show you. So when you go here, you come to a 1 hour time frame. Tomorrow you're just waiting for the market. So now what you're waiting for? You're waiting for the market to do this, something like this. And then now when it starts pushing up, then you know you're looking forward to do. So you definitely the market will do something like this. Then you know tomorrow you're looking forward to take it all the way up. So that's what we have. So basically that's what you're looking forward to have tomorrow. And then that's when you know that your direction is confirmed. So now you're looking forward to take it all the way up. So that's how you pick the pair. So we know that with this one, it's a must. We're looking forward to do what? To buy it. And then as this one is pushing up, we know we've got the GBP pairs. It means it's going down. But here, because it's USD, it's not following. Let's see the other one. Say, so now we have got this here. Let's see. So you see? So you don't want the pair when it's like this. See this one here? It's moving in a sideways. Right? So now you need to come here and see what's going on. So you see? You could see. So it has no choice. The pair has to go down. Which one is the nearest point? We've got that one. Then after, we've got that one. So the pair already is going down. So we have got that point to cover it to that point. So we know we're heading to this point. As Euro GBP is pushing up, we know this one is pushing down because of what? Of correlation. So we know such things. And then you can have that. So this here, see here, this is clear now. It's clear now. You see here, that. It's clear that now the market needs to move up all the way up. So we're waiting now for this during the night, and then tomorrow we know we're pushing it all the way up. So that's how you pick up pairs. You see, so all that. So you know, we just plug our system, and then our system would look for trades, and then we're showing you how it's done. So this is important. Then you know how to pick up pairs, and then now you'll be able to place the trades. So that's what you basically do, right? So you see when you go to 1 hour. Let's see. You see, so the market is pushing up. You're waiting for such things. You're waiting for this to happen tomorrow. So what you're waiting now, it will do something like this. And then when it starts closing up, then you know. You start looking for it. So that's how you pick up the pairs. And that's what you're supposed to do. Any question? So I want to try to demonstrate to you and show you how it works. Struggling to work it out. I don't know why is it not working. Let's see. So yeah, questions, guys? Does it make sense? I don't know why is my back test not operate. Okay. What's the question, Sister Toko?
My question is with the pairs.
Yeah.
When it comes to the robot, does the robot pick up the pairs for you, or you have to actually go through all the pairs and then you select the pair?
You select the pairs yourself, because then you need to plug it. Then once you select the pair, like that one, the Euro GBP, now we select that one. We say, okay, fine, the direction is going up. So we go look for what we select on the robot. We say, okay, now we're looking forward to buy only. So when the robot find a buy, it will buy and place trades for you.
Oh, okay. So it looks on all the pairs, or it will just look on the ones that have got a buy?
It will look on the one that you said, okay, fine. So first you say, okay, fine. Like this one here. Let me show you an example. This one here, we're looking for to buy. So now we're going to come and plug the robot to say the robot must look only for buy on this pair till we reach that point. So all the buys that the robot finds, it will be buying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's what happened. So all the buys, whenever the robot finds a buy, it will be buying. So yeah, so that's what we basically do. So this is the traditional. So this is what we mean by a pair, by a pattern. You look for something like this, you wait for a break, and then entry. So you know the market is coming to this point. So but now, because it has already moved, all you're waiting for the market to do a bit of retrace, and then you go up. And that's how you're gonna get it. So you can't want to buy here. It's a bad move. You can't want to buy here and then you want to take profit here, because now your stop loss will be far. So you wait. So you can go to 1 hour, wait for a pattern. You see how this pair was moving? Look, it was moving without hesitation. But here, it took some time, had some days. You see that? So you're waiting again to do that, do that, do that. Then it goes up. Then again, you are on a move again. You see? So because it's on Monday we don't place trades. We place trades on Tuesday onwards. Tuesday until Friday. So yeah. So yeah. Any questions, guys? Okay, no questions. So it's fine. For those who wants to do a review tomorrow, at least analyze few pairs and then you show me, and then Wednesday we'll redo it, the course again on Wednesday, and then tomorrow you can send me the review, you can analyze and show me others, and then on Friday again we'll try to see what we can do, and I see the review of how far you guys and what else can we do. Then yeah, I'll send you this one and send you some, and then you watch them, and then yeah.
I have a question. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Is this the first lesson or?
No, it's not. It's not. We're gonna start the first lesson on Wednesday. Yeah, it's not this one. So we're gonna restart from scratch on Wednesday. So it's fine. Yeah. So don't worry, it's fine. You can, but you can watch. It's not a problem. I'll send you the lesson. I think I did send you the one which you're gonna do. It's the same thing. So it's exactly what we're going to do. I'm gonna send you another one. So all the time, whenever we start, you need to watch that before you start, so that you have an idea. Then that simplifies your life.
Okay, but you explain everything in detail.
Yeah, like I'm doing right now. Yes.
Okay.
And then if there's questions, you ask, and then we go through it just like that. Okay. So yeah, it's fine. We're gonna send. So we share these things on Telegram. You go watch them and see if there's questions, and then the next lesson you ask, and then we go through it nicely. Mr. Ish, you are quiet today. Are you fine? Is it making sense? Mr. Ish. Fortunate, does it make sense? Fortunate. Okay. No, it's fine.
Yes, it does.
Oh, okay, great. So you just need to practice, and then tomorrow you can just do your analysis and share with me and see if you're correct. Then I'll review and see where you're making a mistake. So you can just record yourself. You can record yourself, and then yeah, then I'll help you, and then we see what we can do. I can see where you're missing everyone. So you do that tomorrow, and then we see.
Okay.
Yeah. So practice, and watch those videos that we have in the group. And then if there's questions, you ask, and then we go through it till you get it right.
All right.
Okay. Okay. Have a good evening. I'll share this, and then I'll share others as well. So Wednesday we're gonna restart.
All right.
If you miss something,
thank you so much.
So if you miss something, you can restart again, and then you learn it up until you get it right. There's no rush. We are with you here, so there's no rush. You won't miss anything. If you feel like you're missing something, you're more than welcome to come back again and you start up until you are comfortable. Okay, I'm gonna share this now on Telegram, and then yeah, let's see tomorrow. I'm gonna share as well even the screenshots, so you can go through this, and then you have write all the questions, and then you ask me anytime, and I'll go through it with you. So yeah, thanks guys. Bye.